Welcome guys, let's try to design a simple part in our Catia. So the part you can see in like this isometric view of this part. Actually it is a model of motor cover. And now at bottom you can see 2D sketches of this part. Now let's start to create this part in our Catia software. So first of all go to open Catia software, go to start, mechanical design and part design. Hide this all plane, insert one point here and insert one axis system to this point, and our first work is done. We have created our own axis system. Now let's start to design this part. So go to sketch positioning and select this Z-Y plane, projected point as this, orientation which is parallel to this line. And actually we are creating this part. So check the dimensions for this part. So let's create a rough sketch of this, and this to this horizontal line, and change here to the arc somewhat like up to this, and go again straight up to this horizontal axis. And now let's start to give some dimension to this. So the height of this is 25. From center to this distance we have to check the diameter of this. So here the diameter of this circle is given as 70 dia. So from this to this, take somewhat at upper side. Distance from this center, it is come at half of 7, and radius value of this is 10. And make sure to close this sketch to this origin vertical axis and this horizontal axis. So we can check this line is not vertical, so make this line is a vertical. Now you can see our sketch is fully constrained. Now exit to workbench and I use chart command here, so we can create on 360 part of this. And make sure before using start, make sure you are in a part body object, otherwise this error is come like you are not in a part body object. And select shaft here, select this sketch and make sure to give axis as this Z axis, and first angle is 360. And now we are making shell to this part, so go to shell command here, select bottom face of this part, and here you can see we have to make part thickness as 3 mm, so do here 3 mm command. And now we have to create some flanges here. Here you can see we have to create some 3 flanges here. So for creating these flanges, go to sketch positioning, select this XY plane, origin near this point, orientation parallel to this line, and In visualization tab you can cut part by the sketch plane, and here we have to draw first one rectangle and make sure to make symmetric this rectangle for vertical axis. And actually you can see, first of all, see we are taking radius value of this is 8, so the rectangle value come as 8 plus 8 is 16, and from center it is actually aligning at radius having value 85. Actually the diameter distance they have given, so from this to this it is at present at half of 85 plus the centric distance from this to this, it is 8, is 42.5 plus 8. Now make this circle to come somewhat like here. View dimension from this zone, from this horizontal axis. It is not coming perfectly, so delete this. Select first of all this horizontal, this, do this first, and this line. So make sure to take this 2D sketch only on this part, not outside of this part. Now you can exit the workbench. Make sure what is pad value for this. So here you can see the pad value of this is given at this section. Actually here the offset section is given from this to this. The pad value of this flange is 5, and from this 14 to up, so give 5 here. Now go to make flyer to this fillet command and select a tri-tangent fillet, and make sure to select first of all this face and this face, and select this face. Now press OK. Now you can see our flange is created, and same flange we have to create at this side and this side also. So select this flange first and go to circle pattern here. Make sure at what angle we want, at 120 degree we want this flanges. So go to here, complete ground parameter, and we want the same like this 3. Select here 3 and select reference direction as this Z axis. Now press OK. Actually we have to make this circular pattern to this port also. So select first of all this tangent fillet and press Ctrl and select this also. Now you can select this circular pattern, make here complete crown and reference direction as this direction. We want like this 3. Now you can see our, we have get our exactly 3 flanges. And now let's start to create this pattern like a structure here. So go to scale positioning, select this xy plane, origin at this point, and now go to profile tab and select this elongated hole up to this and check what are the parameters for this value. So center to center distance is given here as 40, and the latest value is 3.5 from this to this. Make sure this is centrally aligned. So select this center and this center and select your allow symmetrical line. And from center on this vertical line to this line, this is present as value of 18 mm. And same if you want is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pattern. It's present at 6 mm distance. Now exit to the sketch workbench because we have created full constraint sketch. Now use bucket command here. Make it reverse the direction and choose up to next. Let's okay. Now go to rectangle pattern here and select this pocket first as a current solid to this pocket and give reference direction to this ZY, and we want this 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 like this pattern. Select here 6 and spacing of this is 6. Now make it true. Now you can see 1, 4, 5. Make sure to select here as 7. Make it preview. 1, and now you can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. This also 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. And click OK here. Now you can see actually we are giving some pocket value we have to increase. So don't choose here up to next. Give some dimension. Make it reverse properly and increase some value. Now you can see our days are created properly. Actually these pockets are from more air ventilation purpose. And now we start to create this center part. So go to scale position, select this XY plane, type as this type, make this projector this point parallel to this line, and diametric value of this circle, outer circle is 25. So select center as this point, and diametric value of this circle is 25. Exit to the sketch workbench, and you can see from this face it is a pad value of 30. So select pad value, select the sketch, and from bottom surface it is at 30 length, and go to more and select here up to surface and select this space. Getting accurate is not coming, so go to here dimension and decrease some value. Make sure you have selected proper value. Now it is perfect. Now we have to create one hole here having diameter value as 50. So go to hole command, select this space and make sure we want this hole. To next, value of this hole is 15 diameter. Make sure this is centrally aligned. Yes, you can see this centrally aligned. Press OK. Now you can see our hole is created, and now we have to create same holes here in this flange also. So go to hole command, select this space, make sure. So you can see this hole is not perfectly coming at this part. So go to position sketch again. Select this and this, make it concentric, and this point is concentric to this circle. And now make sure what is the value of this hole. So hole value is actually 8, diametric value is 8 mm, and make up to next and press OK. Now you can see where exactly hole is come. Now same hole we want add these 3 flanges also. Select this pocket, hole command, and go to select your rectangle pattern. Make it complete crown here, and we want 3 same space, 3 hole, and reference direction is this Z axis. Make it OK. Now you can see our exact 2 holes are coming, this also and this flange also. Now the only one part is remaining. We have to do some fillet here. So go to fillet and select this edge, and value of this is 2 mm. Now you can see we have created this motor cover exactly in Catia software, which is shown in this part.